Good morning and happy Saturday. Let's take a look at our current visibility throughout our region. We were seeing some poor visibility rates just in Grants Pass and the Mount Sexton area earlier on in the day, but take a look at some very dense fog that has developed over for our east side areas. Klamath Falls right now has some very dense fog, and it's down to 0 statute miles, so virtually no visibility at all. Only 3 miles for Lakeview, so if you are headed out the door, even for Montague, you'll want to drive very slowly, have those low beams on, and account for some extra time as you work your way out of the door this morning. As far as your current temperatures, we are nice and chilly. That is freezing fog for our east side areas. 25 degrees right now in Klamath Falls, only 9 degrees in Chemult. Those temperatures will be warming up for the day today, but getting much colder for the night tonight. As far as what we're going to be seeing for the day today, sunny skies and mild temperatures into the 30s for the east side areas, and then into the 40s along the I-5 corridor. We'll get up to 46 here in Medford. We do have the potential for some storms to work their way in later this evening, but for the majority of the day, we'll be seeing some more sunshine and calm and mild conditions as well. For the nighttime, we will be seeing a change in all of this very calm weather to some pretty active weather. Breezy conditions expected for our east side areas. Very cold temperatures plummeting down to 15 degrees for the night in Klamath Falls and only 4 degrees up in Crater Lake. We're expecting to see some more wet weather blanketing our area, and we do have the potential for some rain-snow mixture to work its way down here in the Rogue Valley. Let's take a look at what we're expecting to see as far as snowfall all the way until Sunday at around 10 a.m. Snow is not the main thing we're worried about with this storm system. It's going to be a pretty fast storm system, moving very quickly and not producing as much snow as we've seen in these last couple of storm systems. We could see anywhere up to 3 to 6 inches in Quartz Mountain, maybe even 6 to 8 inches in Mount Ashland, but it should be around trace for most of our east side areas. As far as for these next few days, we're really focusing on winds and wind chill. So these temperatures, we're going to be seeing very cold temperatures even along the coast, 25 degrees, possibly even down to the -20s in the Cascades and for our east side areas. This is from Sunday night into Monday morning when the majority of those winds work their way in, and when we have that big pocket of cold air that'll be settling over our region. Because of the very cold temperatures we're expecting to see, we do have a freeze watch in effect for coastal Curry County. This goes into effect 10 p.m. tomorrow all the way until 10 a.m. on Monday. That's when we'll be seeing the coolest temperatures, down to 25 degrees, and so you're going to want to bring those pets inside and protect those plants. So now let's take a look at Stormcast so we can time out everything. 11 p.m. seems to be when the majority of the storm system works its way in. You can see it's going to be spotty showers, so not too bad as far as rain and snow, but it'll definitely be noticeable, especially in those higher elevation areas. But continuing on into Sunday and Monday, those clouds clear, but that's when those temperatures really drop. Let's take a look at what we're expecting to see as far as rainfall. Just trace amounts for our east side areas, but we need all of the rain that we can get. We are still in a drought, so anything is good at this point. Monday all the way through Wednesday, staying dry for our work week, but then Thursday, this next system arrives, so we could be seeing some more rain into next weekend as well. For your 7-day forecast for the coast, temperatures into the 50s for this work week. It's going to be pretty nice, pretty pleasant, but again, we'll be seeing some showers and again, those cooler overnight temperatures, so bring those pets inside. Northern California temperatures in the 30s and 40s for the remainder of these next few days, and then back up into the 50s as we head into next week. For the Klamath Basin, take a look at those overnight lows, especially Sunday into Monday. You're going to want to bundle up as you're heading to work on Monday because those temperatures are going to be dangerous. Similar story for the mountains, and with this wintry weather we're expecting Sunday into Monday, expect some poor driving conditions as well. Here in the Rogue Valley, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Wet and wintry weather this weekend, more sunshine but very cold temperatures for our Monday, and then another chance for some showers into our next weekend.
All right, thank you, Mackenzie. So, chance of snow in the Rogue Valley. If we do see snow, this will be the first snowfall of 2023 in the Rogue Valley.
Exactly.
That's kind of exciting.
Very exciting. I mean, we've been thinking, some storm systems were like, oh, okay, snow levels are looking, but they never really panned out. This is the one that's looking to be on track. Everything looks like it's going to work out. So maybe not a bunch of snow, but some snow.
Some snow. Well, for you snow lovers out there, fingers crossed. All right, thank you, Mackenzie.
Of course.